We're here at Serenbe Inn and Resort and the community surrounding it.
Well, we'll get started. So first, thank you all for being here.
People from Atlanta found this to be a haven. It's built for everyday life, but then that ultimately ties into feeling like a vacation.
The person and the group and the team that makes this happen more than anything else is eventually yours and Jennifer Blumig and Ashley on her team.
Number one in building community, you have to create a place for people to break bread together. Because when we meet, right, when you meet a neighbor for the first time, a 5-minute conversation turns into 2 hours, and now we have a friendship.
These guys were blocking the road a minute ago. They were not intimidated by the golf cart at all. I want to pet one. Does that seem like a bad idea? I don't know if the staff are watching. I'm gonna, hey, can you make me a sweater? Dude. Okay, all right. Just gotta go wash my hands immediately.
We're standing in this room today because of an SBA loan, and then we're still standing here today because of SBA in the last year and a half.
Okay. Barbara's like, it doesn't work for us.
Still working on it. And not to forget, March 2022, hopefully we're back together.